Hey guys, we just released a new hand-painted course with our amazing team member Lucile Thyrard. Lucile been working on World of Warcraft for many years, and now she's sharing some of her experience with us. Check it out.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this introduction video. My name is Lucile Thyrard. I am an unpainted 3D artist working in a video game and cinematic industry. In this series of video, I will show you how I created this unpainted epic book from scratch following my process. So here's the main step we're going to cover. We're gonna start by creating a lore and gathering visual references for our props. This will allow us to have a stronger idea of what we are aiming for before jumping into the next step. Sketching. Using the stories and visual materials we created and collected, we'll start sketching our props, first with line work, and then adding colors information, leading us into the next step, modeling. Once our design is ready, we'll jump into modeling the assets and following our concept as guide. Unwrapping. We'll unwrap the props, playing with stacking UVs and using symmetry tricks to optimize the space of our map. We'll then jump into texturing, the fun part. We'll start by blocking out base colors and light information, then push towards a more advanced and polished rendering. And finally, scene setup and final presentation. We'll set up a small scene to showcase our props, adding additional information like specular and emissive effect. I will also show you how to present all the amazing works you will have done by the end of this video. Those are the software I use to create these assets, but feel free to use whatever software is best for you. Just a little note, this is my personal process. Those are not strict set of rules to apply. My hope is that I can give you new ideas or even a fresh perspective on creating your own unpainted props. If that sounds like a plan and you're ready to jump into the fantastic world of unpainted props, meet me in the next video.